Good morning, friends. This is Danielle Ponce coming to you with another live video all the way from Dallas, Texas. I hope everyone is having a great morning. I'm going to give it a few minutes for some people to hop on. How is everyone doing this morning? Hope everyone is staying motivated, staying positive. We're going to get through this day, guys. So for those of you who are new to my page, again, my name is Danielle Ponce. I'm an online marketer. I have been an online marketer for a little over 2 years now. And I help individuals achieve financial success and freedom, which brings me to the reason why I'm doing this live video. Guys, tonight, it's Webinar Wednesday, as you may know, and I want to invite you all out to be my guests to this amazing webinar that we're having tonight. It's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Central Time. I'm starting to see some people hop on. Hi, Sherry. Yeah, guys, I want to invite you all out, and it's in regards to an opportunity that I've been in for the past 3 months. Guys, this opportunity has paid out $275,000 in commissions in the past 3 months. Let me say that again. It has paid out $275,000. And so far, since I've been in this program, I've made $2,850. So guys, I would like for you all, and I hope that you all would be on this webinar tonight. Again, it's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Central Time. And on this webinar, you're going to hear some of the members' testimonials and how they've been doing with the program. You're going to learn more in depth about what this program is about. It's a task-based program in which I'm simply learning how to build a successful online business, and I'm also learning how to brand myself while getting paid. So if you're looking to make some additional income, or you're looking to find out more on how to brand yourself, guys, I highly recommend that you get on this webinar tonight. I'm going to leave the link in the comments so that you can register for the webinar. And I also have the information in my storyline. And also you can message me if you have any questions in regards to this amazing opportunity. I'm here to answer all of your questions. And I'm hoping, which I know we're going to have over 400 people again on the webinar tonight. Last week we had about 450 people, I believe. So this week we're shooting for 500 people, guys. So I hope you all can come out tonight again on this webinar. Hope you all can be my guest. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Let me know where you're tuning in from. And if you're going to watch this later on in the day, hashtag replay for me. So yeah, guys, I hope you all are able to come out tonight to this amazing webinar here about this amazing program that I've been in for the past 3 months. I'm going to go ahead and end this live now. I hope you all have an amazing day. Again, I hope you all stay positive, stay motivated, and stay inspired. And I'll see you all on the webinar tonight. Bye, guys.